Countryman, countrywoman. Oh, I know say the news will still continue. More remain for Palaba crash for plane for that side for India. So young girl, you call Kiai. What getting Tom? That means say you get lucky. What getting lucky? If you want travel for that plane way crash for Thursday, if you want go holidays, you want go England for holidays. Now that you don't go buy a thing them for town for Ahmedabad. As he go buy thing there, you want come now for plane, it don't come late. It come late, it try for convince for say me they put you, but unfortunately, it be get kaku them. So if you get kaku and then you want enter plane, where be late come out, it is difficult because you no go open suit again. They don't already do all thing them. Machine don't send all back them, all luggage them. If you be in a E1, they will talk say okay, just come fast. If you enter, if you open plane, you enter. They will go open luggage and all that. Now manutention and then plenty people that they walk around. So all that machine they know they. As they tell you so, the thing hodi they get a name now Bumi Chauhan. Where he get an English nationality, but an Indian girl, 28 years old girl. It's hoti, Yvette. Now there go Shilong. He not stay. Plane just hook up for air. As the plane hook up for air, few meters, plane come up back, it go down. Bam. Hey, massa. That's what they call a zone for turbulence. Zone de turbulence for France. If you enter plane, the place that they shake that way, you go understand. Because man of you understand. So I imagine they kind of two way they take over people the way they didn't start playing the time when they play with the crash because it been at some very serious matter. It been at some serious matter with which also you get them saying that some shocking matter. Yes, countryman, countrywoman. So that girl again talk. You know, enter a plane, so na so, you know, Kwara. Another story a day. This time, na story for waiting. So for that plane matter. When I know say, we talk that plane matter last week, how we have a get die. Now that I don't go, we don't bury him, it don't pass fine. I don't come now for here. I say thank you now for all man. We send me message for condolence.